Hey there, it's Luis, and if you've landed on this video, it's because you're eager to dive into the world of Joint Restore Gummies. I get it, you're curious about whether this thing really works, and more importantly, if it's the real deal, without messing with your health. So, buckle up, folks. I'm here to spill the beans and give you the lowdown on this joint savior. But wait, I've got something crucial to share, so stick around till the end. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Joint Restore Gummies are like a superhero for your joints, a nutritional supplement designed to be the natural antidote to inflammation, bone and joint issues, and that pesky cartilage damage. Prosper Wellness, the brains behind this magic, invested years in research, ensuring the purity of the ingredients before they unleash this gem onto the market. The best part? It's got the FDA nod and GMP certification. Legit, right? But you're probably wondering, how does this actually help with joint pain? Well, it doesn't just numb the pain. It tackles the root cause. Taking these gummies kickstarts your body's repair system, working its magic on those worn-out joints and doubling as a pain relief superhero. And guess what? It's for Elijah's. Let's talk. Ingredients. Packed with herbs, minerals, vitamins, and CBD. This isn't your run-of-the-mill supplement. It's a powerhouse. And the best part? No bitter aftertaste. Oh, and a heads up, you won't find these gems on Amazon or Walmart. Nope. They're exclusive to the official website, and the link is right down there in the video description. Here's the jaw-dropper: a lifetime guarantee from the makers of Joint Restore. Didn't see results or didn't vibe with it? No problemo. Head to their website, ask for a refund, no questions asked. Why? Because they stand by the top-notch quality and effectiveness of their product. Quick tip: follow the manufacturer's advice and stick with the treatment for at least 3 months. It's a game changer for those dealing with constant pain. And hey, shipping's on the house. Anywhere in the US now, that's a deal. Got burning questions about Joint Restore Gummies? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be your guide. Wishing you all robust health until our next chat. Stay awesome.